Hey everyone, so I'm going to do a flip and drag on a 10 by 20 gallery wrap, the monsters. We're gonna do the standby colors that I just love together, and that will be the Prussian blue, the let's see what this one is, phthalo yellow green, and turquoise. So before I do anything, I'm going to spray my cup. This is the WD-40 silicone spray. I don't use it to create cells. However, if you don't rub it in, you will get some cells from it. But I just use it to line my cup so the paint falls to the bottom when I flip it. It doesn't stick to the bottom of the cup. So I've been sitting here for a few minutes thinking how I wanted to layer these, and I definitely wanted the Prussian blue and the lime green together. So what I'm going to do is turquoise first, then the Prussian blue, and then the lime green, and I have about maybe a ½ inch of color in the cup, and I will give that a little stir. Just a little bit. Get it off the edges here. Okay, so I'm going to place that in the middle of my canvas. I just mixed up some fresh white because I've been filming all day, and I thought, well, this probably will be too thick because I haven't used it yet. I can't tell until after I use it once. So hopefully it'll be all right. It's a little thick, but we have a lot of canvas to cover, so have to get the spatula out. This is the offset spatula that bakers use. Really helps to move your paint around quickly. Although I am going to do some tilting. Okay. I have some paint escaping in the cup already. I hate when that happens. But there's not much you can do about it. I just try to keep it in the middle and work around it. Okay. Still a lot of paint on there. And one more this way. My shim just fell on my foot, scared the crap out of me. I had a shim up here. I was working on a painting today that I won't be showing on YouTube, but I will be showing it on my Facebook page. It was another one of the bottle bottom pours. I'm sure you've seen the one that I did. It poured beautiful. It did not dry that way. I can show you. But I still love it, and I'm still going to clean it, and I'm still going to varnish it. But it just fell apart. But the colors are beautiful, and I just love the cells in there. So I'm still going to have that one available. Yep. Okay. I cut my glove. I'm having a rough one today. Okay. Fine. Spit out. I don't care. Alright, here we go. We're going to get that suction removed here. And we're just going to glide the cup on top of the paint. This is when I give it a minute to relax. I'm going and dip my cup because I'm going to go back in and move some colors around. And I think that's it. I don't like that there, but I'm going to airbrush it towards it. It may move when we tilt a little bit. So now I'm just stretching it out. So when I airbrush it, it'll fill up the canvas a little bit more. I've been watching some of my videos, and I always say, why didn't you stop right there? Oh boy. We never know when to quit. I'm just popping air bubbles, seeing if I get any new cells. I'm pretty sure all my cells are up. Colors are pretty. Alright, so now I'm going to airbrush. And if this is the first time you're watching me, I normally airbrush my flip and drags. I like the feathered edges. If I was not going to airbrush a flip and drag, I would have put more paint in there to fill up the canvas more. And I'm going to do a few of those too, to show you that you don't have to do such a little amount in the cup. But I like the color in the middle and then the feathered out edges, so that's why I do this. I've had a few people say, you know, why did I airbrush it out? It looked fine before, and you'll see. It's just me. I can never leave anything alone. You should have seen when I was a hairdresser. I used to play a lot. I still cut hair, but not every day. I actually cut my brother-in-law's hair yesterday. He's the one that's disabled. And I gave him his breakfast, and I cut his fingernails and filed them, and said, okay, let's go in the bathroom. And I had my hair cutting bag already in there, and he wheeled in, and he was like, oh, he knew it was coming. I'm gonna push this over. So I clippered him pretty short on the sides and in the back, and he was facing the mirror, It was hilarious. And I hadn't got to the front yet to cut the front. And he was pointing at his sideburns like, yeah, TJ, I'm going to cut those. You know, I'm gonna shave those down. Don't worry. He's thinking I'm going to forget something. This isn't my first rodeo, dude. So he got a little pampered yesterday. I had the full shift yesterday from 7 to 6, so I got all that done and then decided to clean my house. And when I went in to clean his room, he's putting his movies on pause, and I'm like, the steamer doesn't make any noise, TJ. But he did not want me to disturb him while he was watching his spooky movies. He loves horror flicks. The scarier the better. But we have to be careful, because if he doesn't hear us coming and we touch him, he jumps. I'm afraid he might have a heart attack again. So we're very careful how we approach him. I love that lime green in there. It's just so pretty. Look at that lacing there. Bring these down just a little bit more. There. I like it. Colors are beautiful. There's nothing like Prussian blue and lime green. It's my favorite. Prussian, Perusian, I don't know how you pronounce it. I just say Prussian. If I'm saying it incorrectly, let me know so I can correct myself. There. She's pretty. There's so many interesting things in this painting. There's the lacing. And then we have that beautiful lime green with the blue. And then over here we have cells and pond cells inside of cells, which is really cool. And that spot right here, there'll be more coming up through there as it dries. Yeah, I'm happy with this. So if you have not subscribed yet, click below and click on the little bell next to the subscribe button, and that will notify you when I upload my next video. Click like, and you can share this video. The more shares we get, the better. And leave a comment. If you have any questions, you can leave them below. If it's a very detailed question and you have a lot of things you want to ask, or wondering where to purchase products that I use, you can contact me through Facebook. The links work better there, and I'll get back to you within 24 hours. I don't have a notification bell on that, so it won't interrupt my videos, but I do check Facebook a couple times a day, so I definitely will get back to you. So I'd like to thank you for watching, and we'll see what we can come up with on the next one. Until then, I'll see you later. Bye.